Have you ever imagined a colossal structure standing completely alone in the middle of the ocean, far from civilization, battered by violent storms, shaken by powerful earthquakes, surrounded by thick sea ice every winter, yet operating around the clock 24 hours a day without ever stopping? This is Berkut, one of the largest offshore oil drilling platforms on Earth, located about 15 miles off Sakhalin Island in the Sea of Okhotsk. From a distance, it almost resembles a giant bird resting peacefully on the surface of the sea. But don't let its appearance fool you. Beneath its calm silhouette lies a 6-story engineering giant weighing hundreds of thousands of tons, purpose-built to survive some of the harshest environments on the planet. Simply getting here is already an adventure. The nearest town is about a 40-minute helicopter flight away. When dense fog rolls in or powerful storms strike, every flight is immediately grounded. As a result, workers often remain stranded on the platform for days or even weeks beyond the end of their scheduled shifts before finally returning home. Unlike floating oil rigs, Berkut stands firmly on an enormous gravity-based concrete foundation anchored directly to the seabed. Its base weighs approximately 160,000 tons and is engineered to withstand massive waves, crushing sea ice, and even powerful earthquakes. Every major pipeline connection is built with flexible joints, allowing the platform to absorb movement without damaging critical systems. But its incredible strength is only part of what makes Berkut extraordinary. Inside, it functions like a fully autonomous industrial city that never sleeps. 24 hours a day, oil is continuously extracted from deep beneath the Earth's surface. Shutting down the operation, even once, could cost millions of dollars and require many hours before production could safely resume. That's why every system is monitored with absolute precision from the platform's central control room. Dozens of screens stream critical operational data every second. From this room, operators monitor the platform's condition, much like a doctor interprets a patient's heartbeat on a medical monitor. Yet the true heart of Berkut lies at the very top of the structure. This is where the drilling operation takes place, using some of the world's most advanced engineering. The drill first penetrates deep beneath the seabed before steering horizontally through layers of rock with astonishing precision. Its mission is to locate hidden reservoirs of oil buried thousands of meters beneath the ocean floor. This is far more complex than simply drilling straight down. Even the drill bit is equipped with synthetic diamond cutters capable of slicing through some of the hardest rock formations on Earth. In fact, a single drill bit can be worth far more than an expensive diamond ring. But the deeper the drilling goes, the greater the danger becomes. The immense pressure of underground oil and natural gas can turn into a catastrophic threat if it isn't carefully controlled. To prevent that from happening, Berkut is equipped with multiple layers of advanced safety systems. One of the most critical is the emergency blowout preventer, capable of sealing an active well within seconds if something goes wrong. Remarkably, since Berkut began operating, that emergency system has never had to be activated. At any given time, hundreds of specialists live and work aboard the platform in rotating shifts. They spend weeks away from their families, surrounded by nothing but endless ocean in every direction. Even the number of people allowed on board is strictly limited. As long as oil continues to flow from deep beneath the Earth, the steel giant known as Berkut will remain standing proudly in the Sea of Okhotsk, a colossal machine, that never truly sleeps.